Our today's problem is write a C program in which you keep taking number from user until user enter odd number. So let's start. Hash include studio dot h int main int में हम लेंगे n नाम का वेरिएबल printf enter the number scanf percentage d comma ampersand n. Now sorry, this we will have to apply in do while loop. So do. Now our next step is printf percentage d slash n comma n. Now if n is n percentage 2 is not equal to 0, then break. While one. Now return 0. So now let's run it. Now see, we entered 2, now 4, now 6, now 12, now 16, and when we add odd number then it exit. जैसे कि हमने एंटर किया 5, so this exit. So guys, thank you for watching the video.